is how we start. Make a big giant tower as big as you can with all the snow you got. Now, we're gonna keep packing it tight as hell. And then later we can dig a hole. Alex, can you pack it down for me? The more compact it is, the sturdier it's gonna be. Grab like a garden shovel to start digging the hole out. That's just dirt from the shovel. And then you can actually use that snow to throw back on top if you want to build it up. So also, you can make out of a couple of old cardboard boxes, shipping boxes, made a little square block if you want to make a square igloo, or we're going to use this actually to just build up the entrance after it's done. So now we're using the snow from the inside to make blocks instead of carrying it out. I don't need any more on top. So pack it tight. There we go. We got our cubes to build the entrance, to build a whole igloo out of them, whatever you want. Pretty cool. As you start digging from the inside out, getting all the insides to make the living space in there, you don't want to dig through too high. So what you can do is get a stick or a rod, measure about 15 to 20 inches for the wall thickness, shove it in, shove a few in all around, and as you're digging up from the inside, once you hit the sticks, you know you reached your max depth, and stop digging, so all your walls will be about the same thickness. You don't over dig anywhere. Progress. Maybe next time we'll use the bricks. Here's the finished product. Got some branches from our Christmas tree that didn't pick up for the flooring. Yoga mat, sleeping bag. I'm gonna make some tea right now. And then some teriyaki chicken later. LED lights, of course. And that's it. All right, we're inside. Making some tea, then some teriyaki chicken, and then we're probably gonna go to sleep. Plenty of space to sit up, or even go on your knees. Got a light. That's better, or no? Yeah. Can lay out.